Hello everyone, it's Caribbean E. Welcome to the channel. We're staying at an Airbnb here at the Casa Amana, and we're still in Puerto Rico. We wanted you guys to take a look at it so you guys can see what we see. Hope everybody just having a wonderful day and everything is good with you. Everything is good with us. This is the front patio. Outside eating area. And I love these little signs she has up. They're really cool. And let's go and take a look.
See what I see.
You guys can see what we see.
I love that it actually had keyless locks. That I did love.
And this is the restroom. Nice big, nice size.
You can guide it, you can walk it. Go ahead, Eric. Walk away.
And this is the refrigerator. You see where's our suitcase here, and that's the big bed. This is a big queen size bed with another twin over here. And then here is
It's not locked.
the sitting area. Here's the living room, sitting area.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Thanks for helping us today.
Oh, you're
Otherwise
welcome.
you wouldn't have to get in.
I know.
Thank you.
Outdoor patio.
Outdoor patio.
Yeah, you're gonna have to. Yeah.
Outdoor
Sorry.
patio.
Super dark for me. Let's see if I can find a light. Ah, here we go.
And then you have the kitchen area.
Cute little blue signs too.
Nice little hallway, some pictures back there. And I think she has 2 or 3 rooms here.
Three. I think.
3.
1, 2,
3 rooms.
4. 4.
4 rooms. Okay.
She made it out to do the. Yep. This is really cute out here.
It's really cute out here. Want you guys to see what we see. Alright guys, continue to hit that notification, the subscription. And if you guys wanted to contact this wonderful host,
It would be a Casa Hermana,
it'll be at Casa Romana.
Armana, like the name on the sign. And she's on booking.com, she's on Airbnb.
And there you have it.
In Catalina.
In Catalina.
Catalina, Puerto Rico. Right by East Verde Beach, because it's literally, I'd say, not even a block away from the beach.
In the meantime, between the time, remember, life is to be enjoyed. Peace. Hello everyone, it's Caribbean E. Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's just having a wonderful and great day. I'm still in Puerto Rico. Me and Tina checking out the sights. This is another beautiful beach which we have not been before. And we'll be going to this beach here in a little bit. Check it out. There's a lot of apartment buildings over here. We're gonna be at the beach pretty soon, pretty quickly here. I just came down to get a few items. Ice chest for some drinks from the local CVS. It's a really, really beautiful view. This awesome, beautiful ocean in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Want to update you guys on what paradise looks like. I know some of you guys wish you was here. There's some beach chairs and also some umbrellas, which they charge you. We're not going to pay that charge because the Airbnb we staying at, I think they supply that for us. But this is a beautiful, gorgeous beach. Here's one of the biggest beaches in Puerto Rico. And we'll be spending our day on the beach, relaxing. Because life is we enjoy it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, continue to hit that subscription button, notification button, so you can stay current on our upcoming videos. Got a lot to download, got a lot to edit, got a lot of content. In case all the haters talking about I don't. They got a lot of good information to share with you guys. So, like I always say on the channel, in the meantime, between the time, remember life, be enjoyed. Peace.